Are you stuck trying to find the best placement for your Amazon ads? As you know, Amazon advertising has become much more complicated, and having a detailed understanding of the different ad placements is absolutely critical. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks and strategies from the Amazon Ads Playbook series that's going to help you improve your advertising sales overall. But first, if you don't know me, my name is Mike Zagari. I'm the owner of PPC Entourage. We have helped thousands of sellers over the past 5 years and managed millions of dollars in Amazon advertising. So if you're looking to improve your brand and turn your brand into a household name, then definitely subscribe to our channel and click on the little notification button. Let's get into it. This video is going to talk all about ad placements. So as you know, in the Amazon Ads Playbook series, we're talking about sponsored product ads, sponsored brand ads, and sponsored display ads. All of these ads can get confusing because there's multiple places where these ads could show up. That's why I wanted to make this video so that you can start to strategize about when to use a certain different type of ad and where you're going to show up when you use those ads. It's super important to know this, and there's a little bit of confusion. So let's dive in. All right, guys. So here we have Amazon.com, and I use my typical example of a grill brush. So when I type in grill brush, you're going to see that there's some advertisements that show up right away. There's some top of the search sponsored brand ads. That would be the very first placement. Sponsored brand, top of search. As I start going down the page, you can see these are top of search, sponsored product ads. Okay, guys, so there's a difference. Sponsored brand ads, sponsored product ads, top of search, both are considered top of search. Then as I go down the page, anything below the top of search that's sponsored is a sponsored product rest of search ad. Here's an example of a sponsored product rest of search ad, okay? So now we actually skipped over a video ad. Check this out, guys. This is a sponsored brand video ad, all right, guys? And then right up over here, we have another one. This is a sponsored display ad showing up as the skyscraper ad on the left hand of the search result page. So sponsored display ad right over here. Now let's continue to go down this first page. You can see there's the sponsored product rest of search ad going down. We have another sponsored display ad going on the left hand side of the page. Going down the page over here. Check this out, guys. We have some more ads. These are sponsored brand rest of search ads. Okay, guys, sponsored brand rest of search right over here and right over here. Then as we go further down the page, you can see this ad right over here. This is a sponsored display ad. Sponsored display showing up probably with the view audience or a searches audience. All right, next, let's go into the search result for page number 2. Now, as we get to the search results for page number 2, you're going to see some sponsored brand ads. These are considered rest of search. Because it's on the top of page number 2, these are rest of search. Next, sponsored product ads. Again, top of page 2 are rest of search ads. Let's go down. These would all be rest of search. You can see that there's a sponsored display ad that shows up, rest of search. Another ad, sponsored display, and these are sponsored brand ad, rest of search, because they're on page number 2. And this is also a sponsored display ad, rest of search. Now, when I click on an actual listing, and let me make sure I go to one that has a lot of action going on. I'm going to go back to the first page. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this listing here. Now we're on the product detail page, and there's several advertisements on the product detail page. Here we have these ads that show up right here and right here, right below the bullet point and right below the buy box. These are sponsored display product targeting ads. Sponsored display product targeting ads here and here. Then as we go further down the page, sponsored product ads on the product detail page. Sponsored product ads on the product detail page right over here. Then check this out, guys. We have sponsored brand ads on the product detail page right over here and right over here. Let's go further down the product detail page. Let's see if there's anything else that shows up in this example. These are videos, but they are not sponsored videos. Here we have another row of sponsored product ads related to this search item. And we go down here. This is a different type of ad. This is a DSP ad. We are not going to cover that type of ad on this presentation or in the playbook series. That's another DSP ad. And let's see anything else. And that is it. Oh, there's one more ad that shows up over here. This is likely a sponsored display ad. All right, guys. So very simple and straightforward. There are some other locations where ads might show up. For example, in the cart, see sponsored products related to this item. This is considered sponsored products. I believe it's considered either rest of search or other. Inside of your Seller Central, it's probably going to show up as rest of search, but inside of the API, I believe it also shows up as other. But keep that in mind that there are ads also in the shopping cart, and I'm sure there's ads scattered throughout Amazon as well. These typically do not perform as well. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. This is all about ad placement for sponsored product ads, sponsored brand ads, and sponsored display ads. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is just one of over 30 short, simple, and easy to understand videos inside of the Amazon Ads Playbook series. And what we did is we broke down some really simple and easy to understand campaign strategies. We tell you why to use these campaigns, how to use these campaigns, exactly how to set them up, and when to set them up. You're gonna learn how to fill in the gaps in your advertising so you're not losing any sales, with the goal of helping your brand to become a household name. So click on the link below. It is absolutely free, and we hope that you take this information and make a lot of money with it. I'll see you on the inside.